Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez. Just doing a quick unboxing. Here, here's my details. And if you're shopping with me in April, I've got a little host code there, and I just use that to put all the orders on through the month, and then gather the Stampin rewards at the end of the month to give back to my customers. So if you're ordering over $250, don't use the host code, because then you get the Stampin rewards yourself. So, and you still get a gift for spending over $50 with me. So that's a good idea. Alrighty, let's get into my box. Just put those back. I've only got a few things in this one. A few things I forgot the other day. It's always good to not forget, but then we get to open another box, so that's fun. Just got to get my scissors in there. See whether it's upside down or not. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, it's upside down. Never mind, that's okay. So here's my thank you. Always been a nice little thank you for your order. It has a list of everything on it. There's only a few things today. I got another one of these. This is the Abstract Beauty Ephemera pack, and it goes with the set that I'm going to be using for my class in a couple of weeks. So I do an online class on Zoom, and I prepare all the bits and pieces. I haven't started them yet. I'm going to do that this afternoon. But we're using the Abstract Beauty. So these are the dies. So I use the dies and cut everything out, and the cardstock and everything. And there's some lovely envelopes that go with it. I had these already. I just needed to get another ephemera pack so that I've got enough for everybody. So if you, I did have the 8th of April on there, but you can still let me know today if you're wanting to do that, because I'll be cutting that out probably tomorrow. I like to get them out to people in the post if you're not local. Otherwise I can drop them off if you're between here and Penrith. I'm in Piedmont in Sydney, and I do a run out. I'll probably go out there one day next week. So that's the ephemera pack. That's really lovely. Oh, I bought some more. Now these are folders for when I get a new recruit. So someone that joins my team, and I use them. A bit hard to see like that. A bit hard to see like that. I'm using my phone today. So these are little folders, and I just put all the information in there you need as a new recruit, and it's somewhere that you can keep them, and it's such a pretty little folder too. The back of it's like grid paper, so you could even use it as grid paper if you wanted to, as a board underneath things. Now, if you're not on my catalogue list already and you'd like to be, to get a hard copy catalogue, let me just see, this might be, I'm not sure if there's a right way up for the catalogue, but this is a box of catalogues. So I have done a catalogue border already. Just have a look. Yeah, so it goes this way. And so with the catalogues, I get Stampin' Up to mail them directly out to people on my list. So they've already gone out, so you should be getting those soon if you're on my list. And then I got another box, which I forgot to order the other day, which is why I've got one now. I'll just show you the new catalogue if you haven't seen it already. So I'm quite happy to send you one if you're not on the list already. If you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Oh, they are upside down. Never mind. I'll get the box out of there in a minute. I'll show you those. So that's what they look like. And I can't show you inside the catalogue yet, because we're not allowed to, but that's the front of it. Beautiful, beautiful things in there to play with. That's what it's like. So that one goes on the back of all the catalogues. It has the dates here when they're valid. So the sales period for customers is the 3rd of May to 22 to the 1st of May 23. That's a brand new catalogue, and I'll be putting my details on the back of those so that you can contact me. If you don't have a demonstrator and you'd like to join Stampin' Up or just purchase anything, just send me a message, comment below. And these are something you can get as a demonstrator. So when I say as a demonstrator, if you join Stampin' Up, they call you a demonstrator. So whether you demonstrate or not is up to you. You don't have to sell anything. You could just be a hobby demonstrator and play with all the fun stuff and send cards to people. So I've got a set of these already, but I wanted another set. They're called Cabana Coasters, because once I get back into doing my in-person classes, I use these on the table for your cuppa. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love them. They're a bit rubbery. They're just beautiful colour. Just love that colour. So that's all that I've got in my box today. A few things I forgot to order the other day. So that's it from me. I'll be back live on Wednesday night. So just keep your eye on any posts that come through, or anything you want to know about crafting or Stampin' Up or card making. Just let me know. Okay? I'll catch you next time. Ciao!